Hello and welcome back. This is Luxembourg Coins and welcome back to the channel. This time we're doing a coin hunt and it's World Coins number 17. I've put this coin this video at. Right, let me just get myself together. The first coin here is, this coin is a 10-ore coin from Norway. On this side we have a cartoushed area with a crowned monogram of Olaf V. It's a 10-ore coin from 1978. It has a mintage of 37,395,000. On the rear of the coin you have the value and the country. There we go. 200 escudos, and it is on the, we have the Republic of Portugal, and on there we have the Portuguese arms and 200 escudos, and then down the bottom we have the date of 1991. The mintage for this coin is 33 million. On the rear we have a portrait of Garcia de Orta, and he was from 1501 to 1568. I believe he was a writer around about the same time as Shakespeare, some Shakespearean, maybe a little before Shakespeare in some respects. Shakespeare went well into the 1600s, didn't he? Which was towards the end of that guy's life. This one here, these two here, are exactly the same coin, in the sense that they're the same date and everything. They're both Belgium, they're both 20 franc coins from 1981. On the rear you have a flower and the value. On the portrait on the front is Baudouin I. This coin has a mintage of 60 million coins. The next one we have, come on, is an Italian coin. Whoops, get it in there, get it in the right place. It's an Italian coin, it's 50 lira. It has a female portrait on the front, and then on the rear we have the courageous man of cracking steel, hammering steel as at the forge. It's supposed to be Hercules with an anvil and the value. It's the large version of the coin. There is a smaller one that came out slightly later, and the mintage of this is 140 million coins. The next one is one from a country that I've not had many of before. This is Luxembourg. It's a 5 franc coin from 1987 and shows the Grand Duke Jean. On the back of the coin we have, oh, that's the wrong one again. Duh. This is the Luxembourg coin. I do beg your pardon. This is a Luxembourg coin and it is Grand Duke Jean. I took them out of order and that's why I had some confusion. It's from 1987. There's a mintage of it of 7 million. It was only produced for 3 years. It is a 5 franc coin and it has an IML mint mark. On the back, between the crown and the 5 franc, going round it you have a garland of some description. As I say, it was only produced for 3 years. This one is Juan Carlos I, and unfortunately I got them out of sequence. I apologise for that. I was whittling on about a coin from Luxembourg when you had the coin from Spain in front of you. It's a 25 pesetas from 1975 on the marked on the front. On the back we have the 25 pesetas underneath the crown. Excuse me. There's a mintage of 172 million for this particular coin, because the starred year on this side is 1979 and that mintage was 172 million. The next one is from Greece. It's a 50 drachma. The portrait on the front is of Homer, the philosopher, and the mintage for the 1988 50 drachma coin was 23,589,000. On the back you have a sailing boat. I believe the sailing boat is known as a trime, and that's Trime, sorry, and that's T-R-I-E-M-E. Next we have a French coin by Metallic, and it's 10 francs from 1991, and the front there shows you the figure is the spirit of freedom. On the obverse you have the value of 10 francs plus the year of 1991. The mintage for this coin was 249,987,011. The next coin that I've got is an Italian coin. It's 100 lira from 1979. On the rear we have a lady at the olive trees. That lady is the goddess Minerva. The mintage for this 1979 100 lira is 351,583,000. This next coin is a 1 lipa coin. It's from the Republic of Hrvatska, which I believe is Bulgaria. It's from 1993. On this side we have the value and we have the coat of arms. On the rear of the coin we have corn cobs. They're known as Kuku, which is Ku, Ku, Ku. The mintage for this 1993 coin is, let me just get that in for you, is 57,834,100. The next coin has a mintage of common, because there's no mintage figures available for it, and it is a common coin. It is a Russian 1 ruble from 2007. We have the Bank of Russia with the double-headed eagle on this side. And on the other side we have 1 ruble. You do have a vine with some flowers on it it is a flowering vine, with some description going up the right hand side of the coin. The next coin is an Italian coin. It is a 200 lira from 1988 and has a mintage of 37 million. On the rear of the coin, the 200 lira is surrounded by a cogged wheel. Oops, let me just get that in for you. Cogged wheel, there we go. This coin is from Finland and shows a rampant line of Finland, or Suomi as it's known. Suomi is it? It is a Monmarker coin from 1994. The mintage for this coin is 152,011,000. On the reverse you just have the 1 marker valuation and some geometric patterns. Okay, we're on the final final tower of coins. This is one from Juan Carlos I. It's a 25 peseta from 1975. On the rear there is a star with a value of 1980 in it. You've got the 25 pesetas above the crown. You have a star, and the star has the date of 80 in it, which gives it a mintage of 322 million. That's a hell of a lot. Let's just double check that for a second then. The next coin is from Jordan. I'm not sure who the portrait is of. I believe it's one of the kings. One of the kings of Jordan. I'm not sure which one it is though. And I can't find a date on... I'm sure there is a date that I could find, but I didn't find it before I recorded. It has on the background, it's 5 Pitaris. Was it Pitaris? P-I-A-S-T-R-E-S. This is a common coin and has no mintage. The geometric pattern on the back of that one. This one here is Juan Carlos I again, from Spain, from 1982. It is a 5 pesetas. Its mintage is 291 million. It's a 5 pesetas, which means to say it is, you have 5 peseta, 5 and then a peseta sign down the side, and then you've got the crowned coat of arms on the rear of the coin. Rather stylised. It's a Belgian 5 franc. It shows the king's head. I'm not sure which king it is actually. He may have been Bedouin first. I'm not sure. So it's very much a stylised portrait of the king. It's from 1973. It is French text, which means to say for that year the mintage would be 30,040,000. And on the back is the 5 French and also the French text, Belgique. It's 15 fils, but it is a winged cartouche, and I can't quite make out what country it's supposed to be from. Look, it is 15 fils. You got the 15 there in the Arabic writing. I'm not sure what country that is. It has a winged bird of prey, probably an eagle, with a cartouche in its chest. I'm not sure, as I said, what country this has come from. I would imagine it's one of the Arab states, but I'm not sure which one. If you've got any idea, please tell me down below in the comments. It is a 10 yen coin from Japan. Is the next one. It is from 1995. It has a mintage of 248,990,000. You have the year and value on this side, and then on this side you have a pagoda, which may well belong to one of the temples. Next we have a 1 peseta from King Carlos I. It's from 1979. The star on the reverse says it's 1979, and the mintage for that year is 80 million.